Students, welcome to the subject Business Intelligence. Today's session is ninth session and the topic is getting to know structured data. Students, you very well know we're in chapter number 2, that is types of digital data. Various types of digital data that we have studied is structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. Structured data is very easy to understand because very best example of structured data is database, that is data stored in database. Here data is stored in tables and data is properly organized in terms of rows and columns. So characteristics of structured data. Structured data is organized in semantic chunks, entities with similar entities grouped together to form relations or classes. Entities in the same group have same description, that is attributes. Students, last time we have studied student entity. In the student entity there is first name, last name, okay, then there is place, mobile number, roll number. So all these have got same descriptions. Point number 3, descriptions for all entities in a group have the same defined format, have a predefined length and follow the same order. Now what is structured data? Student, there is a diagram which will be available in PDF file. Where does structured data come from? Even this diagram is available clearly in the PDF file. Now summary of structured data. It consists of fully described data sets, has clearly defined categories and subcategories. It is placed neatly in rows and columns. Fourth, goes into records and hence database is regulated by well-defined structure, can be indexed easily either by DBMS itself or manually. Students, when you are studying structured data, please consider that you are studying data stored in terms of table in case of database. So here you can find that data is properly organized in rows and columns and there are records and you can index the records that you studied in subject DBMS. It's easy to work with structured data. Point number 1, working with structured data is easy when it comes to storage, scalability, security and update and delete operations. First we'll consider storage. Both defined and user defined data types help with storage of structured data. So students, user defined and system defined data can be stored very properly. Scalability. Scalability refers to the voluminous storage or dealing with voluminous data. It is very easy for a scalable, okay, in case of database. Scalability is possible with increase in the data. Fourth, security. Ensuring security is very easy. Point number 5, update and delete. Updating, deleting, etc. is easy due to structured form. We'll consider now semi-structured data and structured data. Just see in left side you got semi-structured data, right side you got structured data. So when you compare this semi-structured data, in the table there are two columns, one is name, another is email as far as semi-structured data is concerned. In the structured data there are the 5 columns, one is first name, second is last name, third is email ID and fourth is alternate email ID. So students, you can find here there is more classification in structured data. There are properly data is maintained where, okay, whereas in semi-structured name is put together, that is there is no first name last name. Also in case of email there is only, okay, 2 emails are available in under one column only, whereas in structured there is one more column where alternate email is available. So you can see that structured data is properly organized, whereas semi-structured data is not very properly organized. Now again, this is with the structured data storage. there is a diagram, okay, here. So how do you store? Data types, both defined and user defined, will help the storage of structured data. Scalability is not generally an issue with the increase in data. Updating, deleting is easy due to structured form. This is very clear in the PDF file that I am sending. Now next, hassle-free retrieval. So it is very important that when you store a data, you should be able to retrieve data so that it can be made available whenever required, and also it can be processed. So here data stored and retrieval is very easy in case of structured data. Point number 1. It is easy to retrieve desired information from structured data because of following features that is given in figure 2.6. I'll be sending it with PDF. Point number 2. Retrieving information. A well-defined structure helps in easy retrieval of data. So data retrieval is easy. Indexing. Point number 3. Indexing and searching. Data can be indexed based not only on text string but also on other attributes. This enables streamlined search. So you can search with help of index, and so data can be easily searched. Fourth, mining of data, that is processing of data for getting valuable information, is called as mining. Structured data can be easily mined and knowledge can be extracted from it. Point number 5, BI operations. BI works extremely well with structured data, hence data mining, warehousing, etc. can be easily undertaken with case of structured data. Now again, it is easy with structured data. Okay, that is here, there is one diagram. So a well-defined structure helps in easy retrieval of the data. Data can be indexed based not only on text string but other attributes as well. This enables streamlined search. Next, third is structured data can be easily mined and knowledge can be extracted from it. And bottom is BI works extremely well within the structured data, hence data mining, warehousing, etc. can be easily undertaken. So students, today we have studied structured data. It is very important topic, simple topic. Please write the PDF file and study well. I have given the questions which follow them. Please write in your notebook. Thank you.